very interesting tool. This one gonna help our Rwanda country in some the contamination process. Nowadays, we are using chloride as a tool to decontaminate our ambulance and some environment, but this one is going to help because we no longer damage our equipment using chloride. I see this new technology is helpful to Rwanda and all over the country, the world. I'm encouraging all countries to use this kind of technology to decontaminate everywhere they think there is some issue to be harmful to our health. Thank you.
We're very happy. That's one thing I can say. And the UVC will help us a lot. We've been using spraying chlorine, and it's getting everywhere. So using this UVC, we will be able to decontaminate big surfaces safely and quicker and easier. So this is a very big pace. And we're happy. We're trying to digitize most of our services, so this is one big pace for us. And we're moving in the right direction in the fight for against COVID and against other infections. So we help a lot.